Okay, guys, and this is the wrap-up video for our random quote machine project. Um, uh, I just wanted to show you a couple of things here. First of all, if you want to go ahead and check my source code, it's right here in the GitHub repository for free CodeCamp Busan. It's very easy to get to. You go to github.com, free CodeCamp Busan / random quote generator. And here you'll get all of the files. And if you have Git installed on your computer, you can very easily just clone it, or you can fork it to your GitHub account too. It's really, really simple to get to. And go ahead and take a look at the README. It's I've highlighted some of the gotchas, like using JSON-P to access the API, how to prevent page jumps using the prevent default method, and other cool stuff like that. So anyway, just to wrap up, we did everything in an external code editor, but for free CodeCamp, you're going to have to do everything in your I can't even think right now, in the CodePen. And the process is going to be like 97–98% the same. Basically, you won't need this doc type, this HTML tag, or this head tag in your CodePen project. When you go to CodePen, you can click Settings, and you can add in Bootstrap. You can bring in any sort of external, CSS files. You can quickly add jQuery and all that good stuff. So all the way up here from lines 12 all the way up to the top, you don't have to worry about. And then, of course, you don't need the closing tags as well. And it just makes it so much easier on CodePen. But we didn't want to cut that corner. I wanted to show you that missing 2 to 3%, and that's what you have to do. You got to include the doc type, the HTML, and the header tags with all of your files, of course. So we marked it up, and then we styled it here with our CSS. And in the last video, I had some issues with the padding. The text was touching the edges of the quote box. That was because I had this minor mistake. It said padding 10x, and it should have been padding 10px for pixels. So now that you can see that, that's it works now. And then finally, we had our JavaScript, and we used jQuery. You learned that jQuery is essentially, jQuery is JavaScript. jQuery is a JavaScript library, and it just makes interacting with the DOM, with the HTML elements, a whole lot easier, and there's a lot less typing. But all the JavaScript that you can use with jQuery. So if statements, loops, all of the array methods and things like that we've done before. That's going to be very, very helpful for you. And especially in upcoming API projects, those array methods are going to be really helpful. This one, it was really easy because we had, this API, it returned like one object to us, and that was it. In the upcoming API projects, you're going to get some JSON data that returns an array of objects. And having all that knowledge of the array methods like map, for each, reduce, filter, those are going to be super, super, super helpful. So anyway, JavaScript and jQuery, it's one and the same thing. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for improvement, please let me know in the comments below, and I look forward to making another video series for you. Okay, bye for now, and happy coding. Goodbye. Boop.